Which state government has launched a unique gift scheme to promote COVID vaccination in the state? Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Digit Insurance? Virat Kohli. Which nation's women's cricket team has created the world record for registering the most consecutive ODI wins? Australia. Which program was launched by the Niti Aayog to promote and support deep science-based startups? AIM Prime. The World Bank and AIIB has approved a loan for Rs 219 crore drinking water project in which state? Punjab. The central government has decided to retain what percent of inflation target for 2021-2026? 4%. Which country has topped in the prime time for real-time report 2021? India. Which film has won the top honor of outstanding performance by a cast in a motion picture at the 22nd Screen Actors Guild Awards? The Trial of the Chicago. Which ministry has approved the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021? Health Ministry. Biswabhushan Harichandan has received the Kalinga Ratna Award. He is the government of which state? Andhra Pradesh. What is the world merchandise trade volume growth for 2021 projected by WTO? %8. Who is the author of the book titled Neeli Marani, My Mother, My Hero? Achyuta Samanta. Nobel laureate Isamu Nagasaki of Japan has passed away. Did he win the Nobel Prize in which field? Physics. Which state's chief minister has asked the center to do away with age restrictions for COVID-19 vaccination? Delhi. Who is the author of the book titled Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life? Nitin Gokhale.